In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the opening balance on Xero. This process is crucial for maintaining accurate financial records, especially if there have been discrepancies in your account balances. So let's dive right in. After logging into your Xero account, you'll direct your attention to the Accounting tab. This tab is essential as it's your gateway to all your financial data, providing access to a range of financial management tools that Xero offers. To proceed, click on the Accounting tab and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the Advanced option. The Advanced section houses a variety of more focused accounting settings, and one of these is the Conversion Balances option, which will be a focal point for us today. Now that you're in the Advanced section, it's time to find the conversion balances. This feature plays a key role when you first start using Xero to set opening balances, or if you need to make adjustments later. Once you're there, simply click on Conversion Balances to move forward in the process. In this section, you'll see your accounts listed out. To change an opening balance, you'll need to identify and select a specific account you wish to edit. This can be done by clicking on the account name or number, which will then present the details for that particular account. Within these details, you'll find two critical fields: the debit and credit fields. These are the areas where you will make any necessary adjustments. Let's say you notice discrepancies in your financial records that need correcting. You can address these by updating the figures within the debit and credit fields. It's important to ensure that you enter the correct amounts so that your opening balances are accurately reflected. Pay close attention to maintaining accounting accuracy. This means making sure your debits equal your credits for a balanced ledger. Once you've made all the necessary changes, it's crucial to save your work. Look for the Save button, which will apply these new details to your account. Saving your changes is a vital step, as it ensures your financial records are up to date and precise, painting a clear picture of your financial standing. This accuracy is crucial for making informed business decisions. And there you have it. You've successfully updated the opening balance in Xero. By following these steps, you ensure your accounts remain as accurate as possible, giving you confidence in your financial data management. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps make your accounting tasks just a little bit easier.